Hey guys, good day, good afternoon. My name is Ebonlua. You're most welcome to my channel. If you're just tuning in, hit the subscribe button because definitely you will love my channel. I promise. So today, if you have 10 minutes to prepare your breakfast, then keep watching this video. Obviously you have 10 minutes. What are you doing if you don't have 10 minutes? Okay, so this is a very delicious breakfast. It's basically made from eggs. If you don't eat eggs, then you might need to check some other videos, but if you eat eggs, this breakfast is definitely for you and your family. So I'm going to be using some of these peppers, not some, all of these peppers. They are quite optional. You can use more or you can use less. I'm going to be using the red bell pepper, the green red pepper. I'm also using the red and green habanero. I also use some other veggies which I'll show you later on. So the first thing you do is to wash your pepper and cut it to your desired sizes or shapes. Whatever shapes you want to cut it to, you want to dice, slice, grate, whatever. Just cut it to your desired sizes, wash it before you cut anyways. And then after you've cut everything, you set everything aside. Place everything on the tray for easy cutting. So the next thing I'm cutting, I'm using the spinach in this video. You can use kale, any veggies you have basically. You can use more or you can use less for what I'm using. I'm also using the spring onions. I'm using the spring onions because I prefer it. You can use the regular red or white onions, but I just do not really like to see them unless I blend it. So I prefer, I can see the green onions. That's why I'm using, the spring onions rather. That's why I'm using the spring onions. Afterwards, break open your eggs. I use 4 eggs in total, so this can be a meal for 4 people or 2 people as the case may be. It depends on how you want to eat. So sprinkle some salt. You can add some black pepper if you want. After you've added the salt and the black pepper or any other spices of your choice, then you need to get your ceramic bowls. After getting the ceramic bowls, sprinkle some oil into the ceramic bowls. I've had this bowl for over a year and they are doing quite well. So the next thing is for you to place your veggies into the bowls after sprinkling some oil into it so that you'll be able to get out your food at the end of the day. This is not in any order. You can place the veggies in whatever order you want. You can put whatever things you like first. The main thing is get the veggies into the bowl. Simple. After getting the veggies into the bowl, then just put the eggs into the bowl one after the other, slowly, carefully, so you don't spill and mess up your cooking space. The next thing is to put some water into a pot in the fire, then put this into the fire and cook for just 5 minutes. Trust me, in 5 minutes your food will be ready. Another thing you could do is you can also bake if you want. So, but I decided to boil it. It's quite optional. You can bake it or you can do just like I did. Within 5 minutes, you will be ready. Guys, food is ready. Breakfast in 10 minutes, guys. Food is ready. So those of you that goes to work cranky and start shouting on other people at work, it's because you are hungry. It's because you did not eat. Eat breakfast before you get to work. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a very beautiful day. Goodbye. Remember to subscribe. Thank you.